Imagine sitting in a military command center, radar screen growing, operators calm, confident, then suddenly something is wrong. No alarm, no warning, no sound. And yet the target is already gone. This is not a science fiction. This is not a myth. This is Northrop B-2 spirit, the aircraft that changed warfare by mastering one simple idea. If the enemy can't see you, they can't stop you. The story of B-2 begins at the height of the Cold War, a time when nuclear war felt inevitable and survival depend on one question: can you strike first and survive? The United States needed a bomber that could fly straight into the most heavily defended airspace on the earth, past radar system, missile batteries and fighter jet, and delivers its payroll without being detected. Traditional bombers were no longer enough, so engineered at Northrop did not design a faster plane. They designed a ghost, a machine meant to be invisible. The B-52 does not look like any aircraft before it. No tail, no vertical stabilizers, no sharp edges. Just a smooth black flying wing stretching silently across the sky. This design isn't it for beauty, it is for stealth. Radar works by sending out radio waves and listening for the echoes. Most aircraft reflect those waves straight back, but B-2 doesn't. It curves surface scatter radar waves in every direction except back to the source. What little signal remains is observed by a special radar absorbing material. To enemy radar, the B-2 does not look like a bomber. It looks like a small bird or something, nothing at all. But stealth isn't it just about a shape? The B-2 engines are buried deep inside the wing to reduce heat signature. It exhausts, it cooled, it reaches open air, making it harder to infrared sensor to track. Even the small detail matters: the paint, the panel gap, and the air intake. Every inch of this aircraft is engineered to avoid detection. Maintaining the stealth is so critical. After each mission, the aircraft is carefully inspected, sometimes taking day of maintenance for just a few hours of flight invisibly come at the cost. Inside the B-2 bomb base lies its true power. The spirit can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, including precise guided bomb capable of striking within meters of their target. It can destroy a lot of bunkers, strategic military facilities, critical infrastructure, and it can do this anywhere in the world. With a mid-air refueling, the B-2 has a virtually unlimited range. Mission has lasted over for 40 years, flown non-stop from United States to target half a way across the globe and back, all without landing, all without being seen. Despite its technology, the B-2 is flown by just two pilots. No window looking forward, only screen and instruments. The cockpit is quiet, almost calm. There is no dogfight, no maneuvers. The aircraft greatest defense is its absence. For the pilots, it's a strange experience flying through enemy airspace, knowing the no one below even knows you are there. Only 21 B-2 Spirit ever built with a cost of $2 billion, making it most expensive military aircraft in the history. Why so few? Because the B-2 wasn't meant to fly many wars. It was meant to prevent one. Its very existence was the message. We can reach you anywhere, anytime. This is the most dangerous weapon, is the one you never saw coming.
Welcome to Tech Niche, where innovation meets everyday life. Let's explore the future together.